Good morning, everybody. Continue in query. We have to have examples over here regard query creation of query. So I'm providing here some examples, and after that, I need your practice within this. Will be very easy for you. First example, we need to create a new query according to the following steps. First of all, we have to decide which method, but already they have decided for us as query wizard, the simplest way. Then step number two, which source. We have two sources, we have no, that is table or query. Over here they decided it is table flight information. Third, what are the fields to be included within our new query? And last, we have to decide which name for this query. 4 steps as we have seen before. And last step, that after you completing your query, let us do it first and then we will come to the step number 5. Okay, we have to move to create. Then they decided query wizard for us, easiest, and types of query will come within this screen. No need to do anything rather than to press on OK. Then which source? It is flight information table. That means from over here we have to decide. Right now we have two sources, query and table as well, but they said flight information table. After that, which fields? All the fields. That's good. So just move all of them. And last step, that is the query name. So to read still there, you have to move next twice. Then over here, this is your query name should be provided here. What they said, it is query 1. Simply create there, just we have to add 1 at the end, and then things are fine. So step number 5, please students. Step number 5, you cannot complete it here. Then what I have to do, first confirm this by finished. We will get query 1, definitely. It will be open to us with the datasheet view automatically, yes. Then we have to go back and to select to finish this step number 5. They said sort the data within the flight number field descendingly. This will not be completed unless we get inside the design of our query. Means right click, move to design view. We are here. Then have a look. That is which column, flight number, which type of sorting descendingly. So that we have to get inside the flight number correspond to sort element. We have to get out from there descending, not more than. Save. Just have a look to confirm everything's are fine. That is from the largest to the smallest, means oppositely to the original source. Over here from the smallest to the largest ascendingly, while within our query descendingly, if you have seen and observed that. So things are fine, and I hope it is clear for you. This is example number 1. Example number 1. So the idea to create a new query using the query wizard method, and the source, that is flight information, including all the fields, and the query name should be query 1. We have one management over here, that is to sort our data where within the flight number. How? Descendingly. Is it clear? Now we have to move to example number 2. One more query. So please, whenever you finish completing a task, close it. keep this area empty only for the new task. So the new task, one more query. Okay, so let us use the same method, query and query wizard. Let us get back to see the source. The source this time, confirm this, the source this time is query 1, so we have to select it. Okay, this is our source. What about the fields? Again, all fields, so that means we have to move all of them, and we have to get to the last step to provide what? To provide the query name. Simply delete all the things and keep 2. Things are fine. And let us get back to the questions. Hide the last 2 fields or 2 columns. Again, this will not be completed unless we move to the design view of our query. So let us get back and right click within the object tab. Now moving to the design view, and last 2 we don't want to be displayed within our query datasheet view, so that will be completed from the element called show. Under the age, remove this tick. Under the gender, remove this tick. That means this will not be displayed to us within the datasheet view. That means we need, at the end, we need just 4 columns, 4 fields within our query 2. So save the task and have a look. So they have been displayed, hidden from our display datasheet view. Okay, such a way we are finishing and completing again exercise number 2. Okay, exercise number 3, that is create a new query or example. So let us try it. Okay, so method first, we have to confirm it's simple query wizard. Let us get back to the question. They said the source query 1, we'll do it. Get back, we have to select query 1, very important, please, query 1. And which fields this time? They said flight number, client ID and gender. Okay, so flight number, client ID, move to the last and select gender only. Good. Then what? Query name. So just move till you reach over here, and that is which name? That is query 3. Okay, query number 3, and finish. So we have 3 queries over here, query 1, 2 and 3 within our examples. Okay, what else they want from us? They need to display only male clients, displaying only males people. Okay, this is a criteria, this is a condition to display your data. That means this is element number 5th. Okay, again will not be completed unless we move to the design view. We are reaching there. So correspond to the criteria under gender, we have to write over here just yes, means we need the people male. So save it, have a look, if everything is fine, that means you are done. Good. So wherever there is tick within the gender column means he's a male, he's male. Get it? Such a way we are finishing exercise number or examples number 3. Hope that is clear. Okay, so it is query wizard method, then based on query 1, and we are selecting just 3 columns, the phase 2 and the last one, and the query name, that is query number 3. And over here display only male, that means this is a criteria. So where we will find male and female, we will find it within the gender column. He's male or he's female, and simply within the design view and that column we have to write yes means gender, and if we are right no, that means we are concerning about females. So this is the idea of this query, and this is the practice we need over here. So only male people, I think I removed everything, so we need to keep yes only. Yeah, so such way our query is finished and is completed. Let us close it and let us move to the next one. Within the next one, it is the idea over here, we need to display all records. Oh sorry, we need to display only Ali record. Again, this is a criteria. It is a criteria. So let us get inside access, moving to the create and coming to the query wizard, confirming that by OK based on query 1. Yes. Then what we have to select all the fields. So we will move everything over here within our new query. Then next and next to reach what? To reach the query name. What is the name of that? It is query 4. So we'll remove everything from here till we reach the query. We will type 4. Things is finished. So over here it is the criteria. It is a criteria element number 5. So what we need to display only Ali data under the column name. So we need to move to design first, and this is the client name correspond to the criteria. We have to provide Ali in small, in capital, it doesn't make difference. So simply save it and display it. Only Ali will be displayed to us, retained within our result. That is because we are writing a criteria under the column client name as Ali. That means we need to display only Ali. We need to display only Ali. Display only Ali record. Okay, so again please, the idea of the query, using the query method, and then the query source, query 1, which fields you have to include it, all the fields, which name to have to provide it. Query number 4, there is any criteria? Yes it is, we need to display only Ali. So simply within the design under client name correspond to criteria, we will write Ali, then only Ali record will be displayed as. Save, have a look. If everything is fine, then not more than to move to the next closing. Okay, in example number 5, what do we have? The idea, select all the fields from query 1 and you have to give the name query 5. Things have been familiar to you and routine. Then what we need over here, this is a criteria again, I think so. Display all clients. Okay, all the clients, then nothing there, that their name start with A. Their name start with A. That means we need the people their name start with A, like Ali, like Ahmed, for example. Okay, so let us get inside the access and create. Welcome to create wizard and simple query wizard. We have to select everybody here as they said. Yes, it is all the fields, fine. And then moving to reach to have very important query 1. That is based on query 1. So we will move everything and then we have to give the name over here, query number 5. Query number 5, not more than finished. Query number 5 have been added to our category. Then we have to move to the design. Okay, over here, instead of just displaying Ali over here, maybe we have others, their name is starting with A. We need to include them within our client, within our query. So all of them is starting with A. Then how can we build such condition? First of all, they are names. Yes. Secondly, start with what? With A. So this is A. What about the rest? Okay, the rest have to be represented by star. That means all the people starting with A, they are Ali, Ahmed, Imad, for example, something like that. So they will be our Abdurrahman. They will be displayed or included within this criteria. Save what they said, like A star have been added to us automatically. Such way, we have two people over here, their names is starting by A, Ahmed and Ali. So when we provide such criteria under the column client name from the design view, that is element number 5. So A starts means everybody their name starts with A, so it will be displayed to us. Then this exercise, close it, and let us move to the last one. So the idea is over here, it is to have all the fields from query 1 and to give the name as query 6 to our query. What we need over here, display all clients their ages between 20 and 30. So the control over here, that is under the age column, under the age column. So let us do it first. Moving to create query wizard and okay, like routine based on whom, based on query 1. Then which fields, everything's just move it. Then the name, it will be here, that is query number 6 or query name 6. Okay, the last task have to be from where? From the design view. Let us move to the design view. Under which one? Under the age. This is as English language. As English language. Those clients, they ages between English language. Between what? Between 20 and as it is 30. We write it like this. So save it, and only those people between these ages will be displayed to us. So why we got this one? Because it is between 30 and 20, or 20 and 30. This is 22, this is 25, this is 30. So that's why we get it within our client, within our query result. I hope this is clear for you, and we will move in the next class. Again, we will have more examples, and I will provide you with the fully exercises. Please practice that and send it back to me.